In primetime news this evening, Finance Ministry under scrutiny for its oversight of spending at the Education Ministry. Details revealed about newly formed ministry. And later, healthcare workers to get paid outstanding sums for working at vaccination blitz sites.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking if your child has returned to face-to-face classes, what has the experience been like? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.